How to share songs in Samsung Music to your friends on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up Samsung Music. Next, you can tap on playlists or favorites or tracks. And in here, if you want to share the whole playlist, you can touch and hold on the playlist. Then tap on share. Next, select a method of sharing. So you can quick share. You can attach the songs to Gmail or emails. You can share it to one of the messenger app, so such as WhatsApp or messengers, any other apps that you have installed on your device. So here, say I want to share it to a contact on WhatsApp. You can see it here. All the songs has now been attached and shared to my contact in WhatsApp. You can see it is now sending. You can also attach it to emails. So go back into Samsung Music, and here I can go into a playlist. So if you don't want to share everything, you can simply just select the songs that you want to share. So here I'm going to select this one, 14 Silent Night, and say Dream Big. So I have selected 3 songs that I want to share. Then tap on share, and then select an email app. So here I have Gmail, so I'm going to select Gmail, and you can see the songs now have been attached to my email, and then you can write the subject. So try this new songs, and then you can just tap on the send button. I will cancel that for now because I do not want to send this email. And that is how you can easily share songs in your music player. So while you are playing, you can also open it, and when you open up the menu, there is a share button, so you can share the songs that you like currently listening to as well. So there are a number of different ways. It's very flexible. You can share music almost on any of the screens that display the songs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.